Hello friends, I am Ambika. Welcome to SA Educational Hub, a platform to share knowledge. Service providers Situn and Ambika. In this Python tutorial, we will learn punctuators in Python. Punctuators. A punctuator is a token in Python. Some characters in Python are used as punctuators, which have syntactic and semantic meaning to the compiler. What is syntax or syntactic? The syntax is the set of rules that are used to form a correct statement or expression in the programming language. For example, in Python, we are using pair of parentheses in a print function. That is the syntax of the print function in the Python language. Without correct syntax, we will get compilation errors or syntax errors. What is semantic? Semantic refers to the meaning or result of a statement or expression in a programming language. Semantic describes the processes a computer follows when executing a program in that specific language. A semantic error occurs when a program is syntactically correct but produces an incorrect result. For example, an expression may not be evaluated in the order we expect, producing an incorrect result. Other such examples are division by zero or an infinite loop. Using natural language as an example, Bob is a married bachelor is grammatically correct but expresses a meaning that cannot be true. It is a nice example that shows that syntax and semantics are really different. Some of the common punctuators in the Python programming language are single quotes, double quotes, number sign or hash or pound sign, backslash, parentheses, brackets, braces, @ comma, colon, period, backquote, equal sign. Some characters can be used either as a punctuator or as an operator or as part of an operator. The meaning is determined by the context in which it occurs. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Previous video was operators in Python. Next video is variables in Python. Contact us ambikarai27@gmail.com. Thank you.